Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and turning on two-factor authentication if it isn't already active. This protects access. Once done, generate an app-specific password in your Apple ID security settings when you plan to connect Mail or Calendar to Android apps. Next, open a modern browser like Chrome and go to Icloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and the 2FA code. This gets you immediate access to photos, notes, contacts, and mail without installing unfamiliar apps. Now that you're signed in, use the iCloud web apps to view and download items you need. For example, open Photos to save pictures locally. If you want continuous contact sync, export contacts as a vCard. VCF from iCloud and then import that file into Google Contacts. This preserves groups and labels. For email setup, configure your Android Mail app using a map. Your iCloud email, normal password won't work if 2FA is on, so use the app-specific password you created. To finish, move or back up any important iCloud files to Google Drive or your phone's storage so Android apps can access them directly. Make sure to bookmark iCloud. And add a home screen shortcut for one-tap access in the future. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud on the browser, revoke the app-specific password in Apple ID settings, create a new one, and reconfigure your Mail or Calendar app. This resolves most authentication and sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.